Have you ever marveled at the pristine condition of Lego bricks in store displays, only to look at your own collection with a tinge of disappointment? Fear not, for today we embark on a journey to transform your grimy Lego pieces into gleaming treasures. These time-tested cleaning hacks will revolutionize your approach to Lego maintenance, ensuring your beloved bricks remain in top condition for years to come. Let us begin with the most straightforward method, the warm water bath. Fill a basin with lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild dish soap. Gently agitate the Lego pieces in this solution, allowing the warm water to loosen dirt and grime. For stubborn stains, a soft-bristled toothbrush can be employed to scrub individual bricks carefully. Once clean, rinse the pieces thoroughly with cool water and lay them out on a towel to air dry. For those seeking a more automated approach, consider utilizing a mesh laundry bag. Place your Lego pieces inside the bag, secure it tightly, and run it through a gentle cycle in your washing machine. Opt for cool water and a small amount of mild detergent. This method is particularly effective for larger quantities of Lego, but exercise caution with delicate or rare pieces. If you're dealing with older, more heavily soiled Lego, a vinegar solution might be your saving grace. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spritz the solution onto the bricks, allow it to sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently with a soft cloth. The acidity of the vinegar helps break down stubborn grime without damaging the plastic. For those particularly troublesome pieces with caked-on dirt, consider creating a baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water until it forms a thick consistency. Apply this paste to the affected areas, let it sit for several minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The mild abrasive nature of baking soda works wonders on tough stains. In conclusion, maintaining the cleanliness of your Lego collection need not be a daunting task. With these simple yet effective cleaning hacks, you can easily transform your grimy bricks into gleaming masterpieces. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preserving the longevity and appearance of your Lego pieces. By incorporating these methods into your cleaning routine, you'll ensure that your Lego creations continue to spark joy and inspire creativity for generations to come.